There are several ways you can potentially make $1,000 per month. Here are 5 options to consider. Freelancing. Offer your skills and services as a freelancer. This could include writing, graphic design, programming, marketing, or any other skill you possess. Platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer.com can help you find clients and gigs. Online tutoring. If you have expertise in a particular subject, consider offering online tutoring services. You can teach students from around the world using video conferencing tools like Zoom or Skype. Websites like Tutor.com and VIPKid connect tutors with students seeking educational assistance. Renting out a room or property. If you have a spare room or property, consider renting it out on platforms like Airbnb or HomeAway. By listing your space, you can generate a steady stream of income from short-term rentals. Starting an online business. Launching an online business allows you to leverage the power of the internet to generate income. You could sell products through an e-commerce store, provide consulting services, create and sell digital products like e-books or online courses, or start a dropshipping business. Investing in dividend stocks or rental properties. While this option requires some initial capital, investing in dividend stocks or rental properties can provide a reliable source of passive income. Dividend stocks pay regular dividends to shareholders, while rental properties generate rental